Yes, welcome back everyone. It's me again doing another video talking about cryptocurrencies. If you're new here, I'm doing a new video every single day doing and talking about cryptocurrencies, kind of focusing on DeFi at the moment. So if you're into this kind of thing, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you find the video useful, or if you liked it, make sure you hit the like button and leave us a comment if you've got any questions. Let's crack on. So right now I'm looking really closely at Matic. Looks like we've come down through this 14-day moving average, and we're just meeting the 30-day moving average. I'm quite reluctant to get bullish on Matic until we break this downward trend line. Are we going to be able to hold here, or are we going to go further down? That is the biggest question right now. Right now I'm keeping a very close eye on this, and what ideally I want to do is try to kind of catch some wick, maybe down towards $1, something around there, and I'm going to try and take out a loan on AAVE. So currently on AAVE I'm not loaning anything. The APY on here is about 8%. It's about 8%. But the borrow APY on US dollar Tether is about break even, so you can still get some rewards for borrowing Matic against Matic, trying to compound that APR. But I just kind of wanted to take stock of my position, and I just paid it back in preparation for taking out another loan once we wick down. Probably the sensible thing to do would be to wait until this trend line gets broken and we start to make an upward trend. So what I will be doing is just taking very small loans, just trying to employ a kind of dollar cost average strategy. So I'm definitely not going to take a very large risk, because this downtrend could continue for quite some time. But my general feeling is that confidence in the market is starting to come back, and this is just a consolidation period which we are going through. Taking a very quick look at Bitcoin, look like we're starting to reverse the trend here and starting to form another uptrend, but now we have broke this and it looks like we're going to start to roll over again. I think there's a very real chance we come down to a similar level of these wicks and test the 30k range. Taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, looks like we have also broken this uptrend, and now we are downtrending as well. Last time when all the alts were crashing, Matic did fairly well, but for now it looks like a bit of a mixed bag going on. Taking a look at some of the farms, Polycat is struggling a bit with price, $26. Polygon down to 61. Polygash holding up fairly well at $2.06. Adamant at $33. Golden Bull, which we got into yesterday, is down to $27. I actually think this is quite a nice level to start getting into the liquidity pool. Currently have $966 on the USDC, getting an APR of about 600%. Harvest lockup of 8 hours, so I can only compound or withdraw every 8 hours. I think that's how it works. Thank you so much guys for using the referral link. We now got 17 referrals. So if you're not on here and you're still thinking about giving it a go, then I will post my referral link in the description below. So what I'm going to do for tomorrow's episode is I will be giving away the awards I have. So the awards that I'm getting in my wallet, I'm separating from the awards, my own rewards to harvest. So what I'm doing is I'm separating it into a secondary account I have here. Currently I have 0.64, which is about $17. Once I take the remaining from my primary wallet, then it should be about $20. So by tomorrow it could be about $40 of Golden Bull to give away. You need to comment on the video, Make sure you like it and then leave your address in the comment, and then I will do a draw tomorrow to give it away. Feel free to ask a question as well, and then we can also answer that question in tomorrow's video. Polypingu is also suffering as well, $4.07. I didn't put a massive amount in these. It's quite important not to put in too much money that you can't afford to lose, especially with some of the smaller, less established farms. So I'm just earning away on here on the Pingu Matic pool, getting 10k APR. I funded this farm through the gains that I made on my liquidity pool on Polygash. Thank you for the 2 of you that did decide to use the referral. If there is more that want to use the referral, then if we start to get a little bit more, maybe I would say like at least like 8 people, then of course I will put this towards a giveaway as well. And I will leave the referral link in the description below. DFYN, just harvesting my vault, sticking it into the LP here, nothing much to talk about. Okay, so what's new on Polygon? We got this Matic cat, which is like a reflex token meme coin. Website looks pretty good, pretty impressed. Could be an interesting meme coin. We've got 88% locked liquidity for 2 years, 10% marketing, 2% community fund. Total supply 100 million. Nothing much to say about the roadmap, just trying to expand the project. Might take a little punt at this. This one very risky. Taking a look at the chart, I definitely don't. It's hard for me to really recommend this, but kind of caught my eye a little bit, and just putting a tiny amount in just in case. I'm kind of trying to respect these meme coins a lot more, because I think for the younger people in crypto, these kind of pumpermentals is quite exciting for them. And so I think we need to kind of respect them, even though it's really degen. But this is massive risk, so don't put in more than you can afford to lose. It's not financial advice, and take care of yourselves. Don't gamble. Okay, so this website, Dex Guru, I'm now gonna probably start using this as my main chart. Still using Slingshot mostly, but I think I'm gonna start to transition to Dex Guru. The charting on here is much better. We got this trading view chart, much easier to use, and we can make it bigger here as well. So anyway, looking at the price on Matic Cat, looks like we are just over a double. We started on the 2nd of June, so maybe some potential still here. Okay, the new farm, which actually looks quite interesting, is Prism Finance, which is launching in 3 hours and 24 minutes. So hopefully once I release this video, will probably be about 2.5 hours or closer to 3 hours. The total supply is 1,000. We got an emission rate of 1, so the inflation rate basically. Got quite a very low TVL. So taking a look at the pools, USDC, Matic, just all the usual ones with a 4% deposit fee. It's a chance to get in early. Actually, it looks quite interesting. Looking on Rugduck, it's got the OK from the Rugduck. They also got a farm on BSC, so that means something. It's been going for a little bit of time. I don't know how long on BSC, but it must have been going for a little bit. So yeah, it looks alright. If you're looking to get into a new farm, yeah, maybe I will try it. The problem for me is I don't actually have any capital left to get into it. Maybe I try and dig about and get a little bit of USDC to stake on here. Try and move some monies around. I'm not sure, but I do think it looks quite good. If I have some spare, liquidity, maybe I will try it. So good luck to you if you do try that. Another farm we got, it's been running, I think it's been running at least a day, is PirateDice.xyz. I'll leave all their links in the description for these farms and for their meme coin. Yeah, the APR is pretty degen on here. Got like 1,500, on quick with a 4% deposit, so you'll make that back in about a day. We've got burned supply, but I don't see anything on total supply, which seems to be like a bit of a theme in Polygon. So to me, this one, I love the website. It looks kind of slick, even though it's basic. And you know, too slick is a bit of a red flag for me as well, you know. I like unique graphics, I think that's good, a good sign, they've put time into it. This website looks slick, but it looks like it doesn't take a long time, and scammers, they're not going to take a long time on something, they're just going to rug. But then I've seen farms where they make it really slick and really nice graphics, and then they've rugged, so it's a kind of in between for me. It's completely not an exact science, it's completely subjective, it's just based on my own experiences. But I have heard other people talk about these kind of topics to do with graphics, to looking out for potential rugs. So looking at rug, Pirate Dice got a yellow warning just because of some custom code relating to burns and emissions. So yes, bit of risk there. Another thing you can watch out with new farms is look at the documents. Look at like the Medium pages. If they've made it really brief, then that is often a flag. It's the similar concept with the graphics. If they've not taken a long time, you know, scammers, they don't really like to take too much time. Hope that kind of makes sense to you guys. I think it's like take as little as time possible, or take way too much time and drag in a big amount of money, or try to. But on here there is a fair bit of detail, not really too much meat actually. Yeah, it's not too much detail actually. What's the total supply? We do also have a gambling feature on here, like a dice feature that could attract a lot of people. Okay, total supply will be capped at 1 million token. That's interesting. Probably if I was going to get in here, I'll probably go with quick. Go with quick and then try to build up this booty Matic pool. Let's check the dice game. Okay, so you just bet what's going to be rolled. Okay, so once the game is active, it's kind of automatically goes, and then you can place which one will be rolled. And then other people are going to be playing the game, and then whatever the prize pool is should be divided up between the amount of people to get the roll correct. So actually I'm becoming more keen on this in a way, but I've already allocated my capital, so I think I'm going to pass on this one. Can't do more. Nothing against pirates. War. Alright, what else? There's been a big scare on LootSwap. Apparently a lot of money came out of the dev wallet and people were panicking. Don't know too much, but I've just seen this post on Medium. I'm not going to go too much into it. He's just talking about how he is hiring someone, the loot master. It's a dev basically. And apparently he's quite a talented guy, and he is saying trying to get him to work on the project, but he's got some commitments in life. So then he say if we can guarantee you a salary for 2 years. And then I think what he did, he was offering him the tokens in reward, but then he was worried if the price drops. So then apparently he sold a load of loot to pay him 2 years worth of salary, guarantee it. I don't know, who knows. Have a read, see what you think. Alright, just taking a look at my liquidity pool. It's doing good. APR 38%, somewhere down from the original 70%, but what, only halfway down? But altogether, once I unlock this reward here, should be on about $64. My original investment was $300, so that means I'm 20% ROI. And of course, if these locked rewards are anywhere near the similar price by next year, then that is going to be amazing. Right guys, that's it for today. Nothing too exciting. I'm going to keep an eye on this, and I will let you know any updates on Twitter, or come join us in the Telegram and I will post any updates on there. Hope you're all doing well and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget, remember to like the video and leave your address in a comment. Leave a question if you want it answered in the next episode, and I'll see you then.